It's always a confusing thing to know what eye look to pair with a dark bold lip. But as a makeup artist and as a makeup enthusiast, I took it upon myself to show you guys two gorgeous glam looks, which are going to be proper party looks, and it's gonna be stunning, and you can pair it with a red lip. Aren't you all excited to recreate this look? So hope you're ready with your stuff to catch up with me. So let's get started. Also, if you want some freebies that Femica is giving away to you guys, all you need to do is subscribe to this channel and comment down below, and you stand a chance to win a free bag of goodies from Femica. So first I will start with getting the hair out of my face. First I'm gonna quickly do my face. So I've taken some face oil first. I'll pat it on my skin. The base is going to be the exact normal base that I do, and we are going to focus on the eyes. It's time to apply some foundation. I'm going to blend out my concealer. And I'm going to set everything in with a loose powder. It's time to bronze up the face. So I'm just using a little bit of bronzer. Some beautiful rosy blush. I applied a little too much here, I need to fix that. If you ever mess up, just take the same sponge or brush that you used your foundation with and blend it away. Okay, so keeping the first eye look really simple, I'm going to take a transition shade and I'm just going to apply it all over my lid, and I will follow it up to my crease. So this is going to give a soft transition shade, just like that. I'm going to grab a smaller pencil brush and I'm going to take a shade that is like this, most likely like a contouring shade, and I'm going to put it in my crease to kind of deepen the eyelids and make my eye space look bigger because I have hooded eyes. The first look is going to be really simple and you can easily recreate it. And then I'll take the fluffy brush and I'll sort of blend the line. I'll take an angle brush and I'll take black eyeshadow on it, and I'm going to have a winged eye moment. Something like this. Then I'm going to take a fluffy brush and sort of blend the line out a little bit so that it doesn't look harsh. Time to highlight the inner corners with a champagne shade. I love this shade, it's so beautiful. And then I'm going to take the same shade to my lid to sort of bring in some light in there. Then I'm going to take the same transition shade and put it in my lower lash line. Let me see if I want to do something more to it or not, but first I'll curl my lashes. I'm going to take some highlighter and apply it on my brow bone. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a little bit of this shimmery sort of a shade and I will put it on my lid, and I think this will make the look even better. I'm going to do a lip liner. And now a red lipstick. So this is the first look, and I feel like this is a very sexy look, and you are not trying to play too much with the eyes, but it's still simple, but it is still like bringing in the light, and the lip is definitely the king here. So this is look number 1. Now let's go all out for look number 2. We have definitely played it low with the eyes for look number 1. So for 2 we can go completely glam. So first of all, we are not going to remove this eye. This is gonna exactly stay the same. We are just going to add in more pop and colors. So I really like this shade right here. It's this blend of dark but has a duochrome goldish effect to it, and I really want to use this on my eyes. So I'm just going to pick up the shade with a brush and start packing it on my eyes. Yes, this is going to look good. I'm not going to go too much in the inner corners. I'm going to keep it in the outer corners. And kind of blend in with the winged liner that I have. The shade is definitely stunning. So I'm going to apply the same shade in the lower lash line also very carefully, because I don't want it to get too dark. That's sexy. Now I'm going to pick up a little bit of black, and I'm just gonna smoke out the outer corner a little bit, and this will create a nice depth. A little black on the lower lash line too, only on the outer corners. I'm gonna apply one more coat of the mascara, and there you go. This is like super glam. If you know you can carry this look, it's gonna rock any party. So these were the finished 2 looks, you guys. I hope you liked it, and I hope you will recreate some of the looks. But today I end the video right here. Hope you all liked it. For clean, safe and natural beauty products, you can always shop at Femica. Do not forget to check the description box where all the products that are mentioned are going to be linked. You can join our community and welcome yourself to the world of clean, safe, organic beauty and wellness, and you can do so by connecting with us through all our social media platforms, the links to which are going to be either on your screen or in the description box. And with that, today I sign off. Hope you have a lot of fun, a lot of parties, and hope your 2023 is purely abundant. I love you guys so much.
So guys, here's the end. Hope you liked the video. Visit femica.com now. Check out all clean and safe products and dive into the world of clean beauty. Thanks for watching the video.